Okay, we got the 27th. It says 4:09 when he came in. Right now it's daylight savings time, so we'll take off an hour. He is running over my fence again. Only this time he decided he was just gonna. I could seen it run it over. He just took it out. See, clearly this is Jesse. Ooh, attitude. Now that blue line on the property, that's my property line. I paid $700 for a survey company to come out here and show us where this is. And he doesn't seem to care. You've already got the video from him driving over the thing twice. And so here, no, he's gonna wreck the flowers. Gotta kick it, huh? Big man.
He's gonna ruin those nice little shoes he's got on there.
I don't care what he runs. The prosecutor's gonna have a field day with this guy. That was crap out of his own yard. Now I can park my monster truck. You should have thought of that when you bought the house, dude.
It's our yard, dude.
Yeah, it is. I've been to the township offices, checking codes. I've spoken with the police. I've spoken with the prosecutor. I've been to 1200 building. I've done everything I can legally, and I bet you in a few minutes I'll have the radio back on next door. Driving with your high beams on is illegal too, buddy. He's on his yard now, but none of that was even necessary.
Over our line.
Well, no, he's malicious destruction of property. It's reckless driving, and no, was it trespassing? Yeah, that's what it was.
Yeah, he had both feet over our line.
There you go, Jesse. You look at the camera before you're done or not? No, I guess not. All right. You are indeed locally hated.